Hey guys, I'm FZ here from the Handlers, and today I'm going to show you how to get incredibly amazing low light pictures with your smartphone. So let's get. So guys, this video contains information that you will nowhere found on YouTube. To install an app called Camera HDR Studio from the Play Store, the link is down below in the description. So after installing, open it up. And now you're going to HDR and select Real HDR. So here, as you can see, I'm in a very dark room, and there you go, you now have a pic with a little bit of detail with very low light. So you can also edit how the HDR effect applies on this photo, and you can enhance with many filters, mirror it, frame it, and so on. So here are some samples with my original camera app and with this app. So let's see it. So hope you guys like this video, and please consider subscribing my channel. And I'm MFZ from the Handlers, and I'm signing.